Hi, class. Thank you so much for sharing your videos on the discussion board this week. I know it's always challenging to record yourself and watch yourself, but I do think that it's a great way to add to our community, and it was so lovely to see all your faces and also to hear you share some vulnerable information about yourself and the way that you supported each other. It was really beautiful on the discussion board. So I really appreciate you all making the effort to put yourself out there and for a lot of you to get out of your comfort zone. So as you were thinking about pull motivation and when is the action, the reward itself, I hope that you made that connection between intrinsic value, so the value for the action itself or the work itself, hopefully. So, for a lot of you, it sounds like you have experienced pull motivation. And so, the idea here is to have your career um, influence your pull motivation or provide that pull motivation for you. And if you hold intrinsic value in the work itself that you do, that's where you can find that pull motivation. So thanks again for sharing. I'm excited to hear more from you this week as we move into thinking about what skills you have or the skills you want to develop. Um, so let's have another great week. And please feel free to reach out with any questions or concerns.